kailangan nating i-veneer. Walang denture sa taas. Sa baba lang meron. I-root canal po natin to. We're gonna fix this. But we're gonna try to put the veneers. Ang mangyayari naman po dito sa kanyang veneer, nag-trial po kami ng mahaba, hindi bagay. So we really have to make it very short and slim. Hindi pwedeng dikit lang ng dikit, kailangan may trial and error tayo. These are his veneers, root canal with crown and another crown para magpantay yung lower. Ito na ang ating flexible denture. Very shiny. Yan po. Let's install. Asan po ang veneers? Asan po ang postizo? Hanapin natin. Smile. Laki po. Laki. Tagasan po kayo pala?
Cavite. Bacoor.
At this is our ever pumuputikot-utap na veneer. How are you? Are you okay?
Okay na. Ay. Beauty.
Ay, ang tawa. Ganda.